Look how good they look. Nice, bouncy, and juicy. All I use is water. I didn't really feel the need to go in with any makeup on this lace. Like I said, I did very little to no plucking because like I said, it did come pre-plucked. So super natural. And y'all can see, like I said, I didn't need to add no makeup to this lace. Like if I wanted to wear it as a glueless wig, I definitely could, because look at it on my skin. Like look. So when it comes to the actual ear tab though, I do like to actually kind of part it instead of just going straight in and cutting it. Definitely make sure you don't cut the little thing off where you would put your glueless band, the band you used to make it a glueless wig. Definitely make sure you don't cut into that on accident, and you don't want to cut into the back of the wig either. But yeah, that's that. Y'all can see it fits perfect. That's what that side looks like. Am I even in the frame? Okay. I'm gonna still cut my lace in 3 pieces. I don't know if people still do this, but I know it helps me out, so I'm gonna do that like that. But this is what the curls look like. Well, absolutely no product. I just brushed through it with some water. Super cute, super natural looking, but we are gonna actually define these curls. Like this setup here is like way fluffier. Here's the hair after it is defined. Y'all look nice, bouncy, and juicy. All I use is water. I love me a good curly, natural looking wig, and that's definitely what this is. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed